So, I'm sorry for the confusion last video. It was enlisted, of course, not realistic warthunder, but now it's gonna be or something like it. I don't know if we should play some aircraft. I got this actually down to rank 5, starting to go into the jets, and I got the blue water ships as well. Oh. There I am at the rank 5 also. What else do I got? I got coastal. Yeah, I'm rank 4 coastal. I just stopped here at the barges, I remember. So what to do? We can go back to army here, and perhaps play a bit of. Oh, perhaps, because I am going to get my ass handed to myself again and again and again, and people are going to call me the hard R word. Not nice. But so we are here. We need to level this one up. We have to choose crew. Oh yeah, actually that was the problem. I remember. It was the Silver Lions. So, anyways, that ground realistic battle, BR8. Oh, jeez. Okay. So I'm guessing, definitely hate. What am I definitely going to do? Oh, no sound. I'm definitely going to get some sound. Need to have like this. Oh my, this is so stupid with this. Like that. Oh, Jesus. Where's my body? Yeah. He has winter camouflage, so he has played some games in that map, in this tank I mean. And I am scouting light tank. Where are we going? Yeah, we're going towards B. Oh. Who said what? Not this map. Okay. Probably not. And they're going to get dashing across. Oh. So, right around this corner, huh? Should we just, that sounded like, he's backing up. Yeah. Oh my God. Bastard murdered my buddy. Should I dash around here? god, I can probably just go to this one. Let's look. Not dead yet. I'm gonna dash to this. Look. Look, puppy. Oh my god. Yes. Come on. I'm just about to get ticks. Huh? Is that the bastard? Is a blue one, huh? Yeah. Hey! Where are you? Oh my god. He's right in front of me, somewhere around there.
We don't have the advantage anymore. Attention to the designated grid square. Attention to the map.
Attention to the which map of that map. He's also getting shot at from where? Oh. Okay. Well, the abomination. So which one? Which one? I should actually be leveling, what was it now? This one, huh? The piss it, huh? Not, I'll take this one.
Attention to the map. Enemy forces have captured that zone. Thank you.
Oh my god, we're not going to win here. Look at that there, like... Should we go for... Yeah, probably.
Attention to the map.
Oh. There's no chance.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 4. Stören.
Delta 4. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert.
Can't remember. Mouse button 5. And this is gonna be either I'm gonna die instantly because of my
Vorladung geladen.
Terminator enemy destruction. Oh, that I can share on YouTube. Hehehe. No.
Allied forces have captured.
Nej, Sadlo Blessnad. Nu när vi för att vinna.
Artillerieschlag in eurem Sektor.
I'm gonna climb here and I gonna stick my ass up and getting shot from behind. Yes. So he's just there's somebody here hiding, of course. We know that. He's not going to capture. So where is he? Oh damn, you hell with it. I am going to find out where he's hiding. I can see it in the burning tank of mine. Okay. Yes.
Geschütz ist wieder einsatzbereit.
He's into the air. I knew it.
Have captured a zone.
Thank you very much.
I definitely need to kill him. Get that bastard done. Yeah. Ah.
Awesome.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Vorladungsgranate geladen.
Yeah.
Vorladung geladen.
The Allied forces have captured a zone.
Vorladung geladen.
It's hard to be an idiot, you know. He's like
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 1. Niederhalten.
Delta 1. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert.
Kräfte getauscht.
okay. That was pretty predictable, but luckily I survived. I'll try to, of course, look in this.
Blattpanzer. 2 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter. Vorladungsgranate geladen.
Thank you.
The enemy.
Okay, so is he on my side or on space side? That. Oh my god. Look at that fatal error of mine.
Air 250. Halt. 100 meters.
Yes, I know. Stupid old man can't play this game. And I definitely cannot play this game. So, artillery. Do I have some?
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Charlie 6. Stören.
Charlie 6. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert. Enemy forces have captured a zone. Allied forces have captured a zone.
Okay, let's try to get that RT. It's right there somewhere, huh? There where I at that location. Definitely not at that location.
Keep it up and victory will be ours.
Okay, now I'm going to get blasted by someone hiding, huh? Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh, I can play. We will take this one again. Yes. So they're going for B.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 4. Zerschlagen.
Delta 4. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert. Allied forces have captured the zone.
My nerves. Look at that. Oh, I'm bumping on top of. Oh, yeah. We just need to. We need to take it easy. It's very important they don't get this.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Attention to the map.
Yeah, he's coming.
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours.
Can't you see him? He's coming to kill me. So it's from. Hey! God damn it! Okay, not too shabby. Let's save that replay. Not even one of those tanks. What's going on here? Yeah. Anyways, that was a very nice game. So, shall we take one? No, I have announced realistic ground battles, and we're gonna stick to that. But at which level should we play? We got the Google plates. Yeah, oh, this one. That's an excellent. No, let's just take the regular. Oh, this map I absolutely hate. I think it's on my block list when I'm playing premium. Definitely tanks and urban setting. Very, very, very stupid.
Jetzt wird's ernst, Leute! Seid verteilt!
Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Lichtschütze bereit.
So, question, they will see me far away. Far away. So, what should my game style be here? As well, I think avoid getting murdered for sure is wanted. So, as far as I understand, so if I sit down here just to wait, and I will be harder to spot because there's auto camouflage. But that's, oh my! Yes, of course. Yes.
Have captured a zone. Attention!
Some of. Was that me? No. Oh. We're gonna take this one. I need to level this one up actually, so yeah. That's my you can see it does no improvements, as slow as and has a gun that, yeah, I don't think the enemy is right behind there. Two of them even.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
I'm gonna get shot from the side, aren't I?
Attention to the map.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Attention to the designated grid square.
Yeah, definitely getting murdered, huh? So, I'm pointing in the right direction. Cancel. Ah. I'm missing my driver, huh? Goddamn bastard. Say hello to your mother.
Attention to the map. Attention to the map.
What the hell is going on here?
Attention to the map.
Okay. I just hope I can get down there unscathed with my slow.
Attention
Oh,
to the designated grid square.
slow vehicle.
Most of the zones are taken by the enemy.
No.
Attention to the map.
Ooh. Light tanks. Cassim? You want me to turn him into a casserole? Oh, so I cannot dash around there because there's...
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 3. Verschlag.
Delta 3! Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert. We no longer have the advantage.
Somebody was shooting me from between here.
Attention to the map.
Okay. If I look down this way, I dash across.
Request air support. Attention to the designated grid square.
Oh. Still the same tactics. Yeah. Yes. That was no fun. I knew it. Hate those maps. Yes. What to do? View highlights? No. To anger. I think I want to play. Also not Sweden. I had some jets as well. Or should I play? Let's see. No. I think one loss, one win should be proficient for me today without losing my nerves and having tics playing this game.